Okay, so I took my walk this morning with the dogs. Toro grabbed me by the left elbow with his mouth. Off we went. I saw him checking something out. I thought maybe it was an old cactus on the path. This is what it was. I had to tell him to leave it alone so he wouldn't hurt himself, thinking maybe it had thorns on it. But look, this is what it is. I think it's a young mockingbird just by the tail feathers being white. I'm going to try and find the nest. If not, maybe I'll take it home, but I do have 6 cats and 6 dogs, so his chances are slim. I have to see if I can find the nest. So my little walk down here is a bit limited now. What to do? Thankfully, Toro didn't tear into him. So anyway, I better go. It's getting a little bit hotter.